Welcome to Morning Tai Chi. This routine will help you stretch your body, awaken your energy, and start your day feeling calm and centered. And don't worry about getting the movements perfect. I'll be your mirror image. You can have a seat at any time. The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Taking your time, feeling the sensations. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Opening the door. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, softening down. It's like your arms are resting on a wave in the ocean. One more time, the tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. Then the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest, lubricating the joints. One more time, holding up the sky, creating space in the spine. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. This time you can do a side bend if you like. Just always easing in, never forcing it. One more time, connecting sky and earth. This time the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner, the dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation, pushing to the corner, one more time. And the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail, sending little waves out into the distance in all directions. One more time. Drift across. And then the hands come together, prayer position. They float across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting across, up high, then medium, then down low. And then we'll do another round, floating back up, opening the wrists, the elbows, leaning into it if you like. All right, one more round, swimming dragon. And then release, round out as if you're hugging a big tree. Bring it to the center, draw the hands in towards the heart, and then press out to the side. Draw the hands back into the heart, push out to the other side. The dragon stretches its tail. This time, as you push out to the side, the opposite foot taps out to the other side. It's a gentle reach with the foot. Other side, tap the toes, right out to the side. This time you can tap them out in front. It's like you're testing out the water. Other side, tap the toes out in front. This time you can tap behind. Other side, tap the toes behind. And then you can keep going behind, or you can cross diagonal behind. All right, one more time, the dragon stretches its tail. And then hug the tree, bring it to center. From here, both hands drift over to the side and float down, drifting side to side like tall grass in the breeze. Nice, gentle sway. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front. Bring it back in. Other side, shift the weight, tap the heel. This time, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, other hand in front of the heart, playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, hands come out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the pipa, the Chinese guitar. And then step in, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, both hands float over to the side, making two loose fists, coming all the way up and overhead, just as much as you can comfortably. And then back down, big open, without forcing or striving, turning the wheel. One more time. And then reverse direction, circling up and over, two loose fists, opening the shoulders, lubricating the joints. One more time, turning the wheel, the big wheel. And then circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the hands turn, one hand on top of the other. The bottom hand drops down. Toss away. The hand waves in towards the center and then pushes forward, right towards me. Other side, toss away. The hand waves in, pushing forward, repulse monkey. Nice and easy, nice and slow, calming the monkey mind. Breathing in, breathing out. Feeling the sensations. One more time, repulse monkey. This time, toss away, the other hand circles on top. Step in. Both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften. Rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, top hand pushes to the corner, top hand circles down, bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, brush knee and push. Once again, don't worry about getting it perfect. As long as you're moving, we're doing okay. Nice and slow, one more time, brush knee and push. This time, the bottom hand comes up, the palms face up. The hands draw in, making two loose fists. They circle out and around and then back up top. Facing each other, palms face up, draw back in. Boxing both ears. The fists come towards each other and then open. One more time. And then step the front foot back in, circle the hands all the way in front as you hug the tree. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away. The other hand circles on top as you step in, both hands together, pushing down and waving in. As you soften, rising up, softening down, breathing in and breathing out. This time you can step out to the corner. As you step out, bottom hand brushes past the knee, top hand pushes to the corner, top hand floats down, bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, brush knee and push. Once again, feeling the body. It's more about how mindful you can be. Nice and easy, nice and slow, going for the ride. One more time, brush knee and push. And then the bottom hand comes up, the palms face up, the hands draw in, making two loose fists. They circle out and around. And then the fists come towards each other up top. Palms face up, draw back in, boxing both ears. The fists come up towards each other and then open. One more time. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open wide. This hand scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. This time we'll step out to the side, and as we step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. Then circle it around again, ward off, expanding and lifting. One more time, ward off. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back. Shifting back as the hands come back, and then circle it around once more, roll back. This time, toss it away. The arms float out to the side, and the hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away. The hand folds in, press forward. One more time, the press. Nice and slow. And then the hands separate. Draw the hands in towards the heart and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then sit back and open, wipe across. And then take your time as you step in, catch the moon. Step out to the other side. Bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. Other hand floats down. Circle it around again, ward off. Really tuning into the body, all the sensations. One more time. Ward off. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, roll back. Yielding, going with the flow. One more time, roll back, and then toss away. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward, slide down, toss away. Hand folds in, press forward one more time, the press, nice and soft. Breathing in, breathing out. This time the hands separate, draw them in towards the heart, and push. Nice and easy, nice and slow, one more time. Just like the ocean, the tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. And then sit back, open, wipe across. We'll do each movement one time, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon, step out, ward off. And then roll back. Toss away, fold it in, press, release, draw in, and push. Sit back, wipe across, other side, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon, step out, ward off. Roll back, toss away, and press. Release, draw in, and push. Sit back, this time hug the tree, bring it to center. You can step the other foot parallel. From here, the arms open wide. The hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften the hips and knees. Then circle the hands in front, gathering in the energy. Bring it back into the heart for loving kindness and self-compassion. One more time, open the heart, rising up, soften down. This time, make a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You And step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. Then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, this class is part of our free monthly clickable calendar program. Just click the link below to get your free monthly clickable calendar. Thank you so much, and I look forward to having you in class again real soon. Peace.